Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Here's another update. I'm walking home right now in a little blizzard. This is pretty nice. I don't know if you guys can see this well, but it's like extremely hard to see out here. So my school just decided to let out school early. They didn't want to cancel school today, even though it's really, really bad. They're gonna let us out 45 minutes early because I don't really think that the kids should be going to school if it hurts to breathe outside. So as you can see, it's white everywhere. You can't see. When I was driving in the bus, there's gonna be clips I'm gonna show you that it's just so hard to see outside. I couldn't even see the bus that was in front of me. It was so bad. And they decided to let us out 45 minutes early, and that's it. The sky is so white. I can't even, oh my god. Can't see anything. I don't even know where the sun is. It's like, whatever. It's just so bad outside right now. Okay, so to this morning, I guess that I was not going, I guess that we were gonna get let out of school early. 6 hours ago, that's when school started. So let's just see. Okay, so I'm letting out my dogs right now. The snow is super deep and you can barely see out here. It snows so bad. And then there's the dogs that are running in the snow that's almost taller than them. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video of me. Because with that snowstorm out there, it looks like I'm not going to be going to school tomorrow. Keep you guys updated just in case I die. And if I don't die, I will let you guys know because it is really, really bad out there. So make sure you go like and subscribe. Yeah.